doing a bit of an update. As you could probably tell from the beginning of the video, this footage was from October last year, 2019. Since then, as I put into the subtitles, I've been overseas for work. That got cut short due to this current stuff going on, but it's messed up all of my plans. I'm now at a point where with work back in the UK, it's starting to ease up a bit, so I'm hopefully going to start concentrating on the van again. Should get a bit more time to do that. I made a bit of a mess of that one. Never mind. Right, somewhere to sleep. Question now is, do I extend it to get a full double? If we're going lengthwise, fine, that's about, that's 210, 212, that's about 2 meters, which will take any length bed. It's the width. So, what we got here? So to the ledge we are going from the bottom shortest part to the ledge. 112. That's better than expected. So take off, maybe take 5 off for insulation. So I'm going to have to add about 30 to put a full double in. Like that. That could work. Yeah, so for the last few weeks I've been managing to get out to the van periodically, do a little bit here and there, which is really good stuff. I've been jumping from one thing to another, so I've been working on diesel heater through to planning out the layout, because I've completely changed all that in my head. Looking at how the bed's going to be done, so it's basically not going to be up above the cab as in this video. I lie, it will be above the cab, but that'll be its stored location. It will come out and drop down to allow more space. Because as you can probably tell from the video, when I'm sat on the ledge, it's quite restricted. I can't sit up, so once the mattress is in there, or once my insulation's in there, and then I'll need a good bit of framework to create a good flow underneath it to stop things like damp. That's going to eat into that space, which is already pretty limited. So the new plan is to have a bed that comes out of that position to give more headroom, basically. So that's what I'm looking at now. I keep doing different jobs. Like I said, I've been playing with the diesel heater, sort of getting that up and running again. Because the van had it originally fitted, the Erbisbacher. It just needed a good old dig out, a few wires reconnecting, which I've filmed all of this, so I'll hopefully put them in an update soon. I've also been planning my shower stroke toilet, which will be linked to the kitchen next. Yeah, so I've got a few things on the go. Bought a sink that I found, nowhere near ready to fit anything like that, but it was a good price, so I just went and picked it up a few weeks ago. So that's good. So I'm getting loads of things together, a little bit, but not concentrating on one area, which I should really maybe focus on. So with that, I've got two priorities now. Get the van running. It doesn't run, so I'll get her running. And a second one, which I can work on at the same time, is the windows. Okay, so I'm gonna get some windows, and that way I can start fitting them, reseal the van just to make sure I've got a solid base to start from. Once I've done that, I can then start jumping onto the other jobs, like building the infrastructure inside. So priorities: get the van working, and 2 windows. So need to save a bit of cash to get the windows, because I'll be looking at the seats, S4s, get some of them, 2 big ones, one either side, where the windows are now loosely, different size though, and then one in the roof. Although I've just been eyeing up the max power sunlight fan systems, and they look okay. Seen a few videos with people reviewing them, so maybe look at one of them. But I'd also like a skylight, and that'd probably end up being a sites. Yeah, so save a bit of cash, get them, fit one at a time, because I could need rewalling. It didn't sort of fill in the big gaps that I'll leave from the old windows. So yeah, do that. And with the engine not running, I don't think it's a big problem. I've done a bit of fault finding, probably jumping the gun, and being lazy, I've just bought a diagnostics kit, waiting for that to arrive. It's something I'll always use on other vehicles or whatever, so I've got that on the way through. And then I'm hoping if I just plug that little bad boy in, it will throw up the faults that sort of occurring. If not, I'll have to go back to some basic diagnostics. I think some of the engine's turning fine, just not starting. So I suspect it's either the immobiliser or one of the something to do with the fuel system, not putting the fuel in at the right time. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But I'm not concerned at this point, and yeah, it's safe where it is. It's in a decent location. I can keep an eye on it, so I'm not in a rush to get it moved or running. So yeah, windows, that will be the next. It won't be the next video, but it will be the next priority to get things done. I'll be putting a few videos up over the next week or two, and that will be a bit of a mixed match of just things I've maybe bought to put in there, a bit of the stripping, to the point I've got it down to now. I've got a makeshift sofa in the back. I like to chill on when I should be working, but I just chill, daydream about what I should be doing. So yeah, okay. I will leave it there.